everybody and Merry Christmas. So today we are going to be making a Christmas tree advent calendar out of paper cups. Okay, so the thing is you're going to be needing is of course paper cups. I have 24 cups, 12 red ones and 12 green ones. You're also going to be needing this little bow. Now this is optional. I'm just using it for the little top as the star for the Christmas tree. Now you also going to be needing these elastic bands. Of course you're probably going to be needing more than this. Around 24 should be good. Now you're going to be needing napkins as well. I am using 12 red and 12 green napkins. So of course your main base is going to be this big piece of styrofoam, and of course all the candy and the stuff and the presents that you want to put into the thing. That's all the stuff. Let's go. Okay, here we go. Step one. So I have my red and my green napkins like this. We're just going to grab one of these and open it up. We get a big napkin. Now we only want it super thin so you can poke through it when it is the day to open it. So we are going to quickly rip this until we have 24 of these just single squares. Okay, there we go. I'm done cutting. We have 12 of each. That is 24. They are now nice and thin so we can put it over the cups. Okay, so next step is we're going to grab a Sharpie or a marker. Now we're going to label them from 1 to 24. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do all of the odds red and the evens green, so then it's easier to put them back on the Christmas tree. Here we go. Time lapse. I am done writing all of the numbers on. This is even and that's odd. I don't know if I said like that would be even and like, I don't know. Anyway, okay, so let's move these to the side. Now, the next step is we are going to grab all of our cups, just like this. We have 24 of these, and we're going to take all of our candies and prizes and put them in before we cover them with our napkins and elastic bands. So I'm done putting all this stuff in. Now it is time to start covering them up. So here is one of them. I'm going to take one just like this, and we're going to use all of our elastic bands right here. We're just going to fold it over and crumble it up on the sides. And now place the elastic band around just like this. Perfect. Now if you want, you can also like trim the sides. I think I'll do that after. But now we're going to do another time lapse with 23 more. Here we go. Okay, there we go. I wrapped them all up. They look super pretty. I honestly don't know why I did this in this pattern. It just looks cool. Anyway, okay, so now it is time to put them on our big giant piece of styrofoam, but of course it has to be in the shape of a Christmas tree. So we're gonna do that real quick. Let's go. Okay, there we we go. So it is all done, and I have put all of the red and green cups on. But of course, before we start decorating the backboard, I do have my bow ready. It's all peeled off at the back. We're just gonna quickly place it on. Oh my god. Stick, please. There we go, okay. It's all on. Now there was a 21, but I will quickly write the 21 down there, then we'll move on to the backboard. Bloop, 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 bloop. Okay, there we go. We're all done decorating. Let's go check it out. Woo! Merry Christmas, everybody. Bye!